Fire alarm systems and their importance in safety. Welcome to our fire alarm systems training. By the end of this training, you will understand core functions of fire alarm systems, identify key components of fire alarm systems, differentiate between conventional and addressable fire alarm systems, recognize the importance of timely evacuation. Here are the critical components and their functions. Detection devices are crucial for early fire detection. How to identify. Recognize smoke detectors, heat detectors, and manual call points. Action. Ensure all devices are operational and report any issues. The control panel is the system's command center. How to monitor. Understand control panel functions and alerts. Action. Regularly check the control panel for faults and alarms. Notification appliances alert occupants during emergencies. How to recognize. Differentiate between audible and visual alarms. Action. Ensure both types of alarms are functioning and visible. Power supply is vital for system reliability. How to ensure. Check power supply sources regularly. Action. Test backup batteries and ensure mains power is stable. Now let's explore some practical scenarios. A commercial building upgrades to an addressable fire alarm system. Pause and assess. Is the system responsive and accurate? Your action should be: implement an addressable system for precise alerts. A residential building reviews smoke detector placements. Pause and evaluate. Are smoke detectors placed correctly? If not, reassess placements to enhance safety. An office conducts evacuation drills to ensure preparedness. Pause and prepare. Is there a plan for evacuation drills? If absent, implement regular drills to ensure readiness. Now let's recap what you learned. Fire alarm systems are vital for safety and property protection. Early detection facilitates effective evacuation. Understanding system components enhances safety measures. Integration with other safety systems boosts effectiveness. Ensure your fire alarm system is regularly tested and maintained to protect lives. Thank you for participating in our fire alarm systems training.